In the last video that we made, I showed you how to create handmade videos in Grok. And after generating these videos, many people make a mistake of right-clicking and saving the video from here. After creating a video the way you want it, you're supposed to first upscale the video so that it gives you kind of a high resolution. How do you do that? You go to these three dots, then you click on upscale a video. Here it will show it's upscaling. Upscaling is trying to kind of get a good version, something like that. Okay. So after upscaling, it will disappear here. The moment you see upscaling is out of here, then you can right click, then you click on save video as. Don't click save video frame. Click on save video as. Save video as, then it will pop up, then you save the video on your PC. So that's how you save high resolution videos from Grok. Okay. If you're interested in videos about generating videos for free in Grok, you can subscribe on my YouTube channel. I'm going to talk a lot about generating videos and making animations and movies with AI. See you in the next video, and bye-bye.